राज्यातली खाजन जमीन परत वापरांत हाडपा खातीर राज्य सरकाराक मदत करची म्हूण राज्यसभा खासदार सदानंद शेट तनावडे हांणी राज्यसभेत मागणी केल्या. तापमान वाडून आनी हेर पर्यावरणीय बदलांक लागून मानशो फुटून दर्याचें खारें उदक शेतांत रिगून शेतांची वाट लागता. ही जमीन परत शेत रोवपा खातीर योग्य करपाक राज्य सरकाराक मदत करची म्हूण तनावडेची मागणी आसा. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Now, Mr. Sadanand Mehalu said Tanavade. This is about demand for restoration and support for Khazan land in Goa.
Demand for restoration and support for Khazan land in Goa. I rise to draw the attention of the August House to a significant issue concerning the Khazan land system in Goa. The Khazan land system, an engineering marvel crafted by our ancestors centuries ago, consists of reclaimed wetland and low-lying land located in the intertidal zones of tidal-affected rivers. These lands are protected and regulated by marginal marine clay bunds and sluice gate system called Manas, located near the mouth of rivers. The Khazan land system is a perfect model of an ecosystem with an excellent blend of man, marine life, flora, fauna, land, agriculture, water bodies, migratory birds habitats, mangrove forest, and beautiful backwaters. However, these lands are now facing threats from extreme weather events driven by climate change, including change in the rainfall patterns, flooding, and rising sea levels. These factors are leading to permanent loss of land, erosion of river banks, pollution of groundwater due to salinity ingress, and flooding of nearby villages. I urge the government to provide the necessary assistance in terms of special grants, technical expertise, and robust policy framework to revitalize Khazan lands and ensure their sustainable management, which will help bring back thousands of hectares of land under cultivation, stop the permanent loss of land, and make the state more resilient to the challenges of climate change, sea level rise, and changes in the rainfall patterns. Restoring Khazan lands will not only preserve our cultural heritage, but also enhance environmental sustainability. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sadanand.